Credit Union is based in Shrewsbury, but we actually cover the whole of Shropshire and Telford, so anybody who lives or works in Shropshire and Telford can actually join the Credit Union.
I first became a member of the Credit Union just over 3 years ago. I was suffering poor health. I was unemployed. I lost my job because of my medical conditions, and I couldn't get any help from the banks. And I heard about the credit union and joined the credit union because they wanted to look after me.
In order to be able to be accessible to our members, we do provide a range of outreach services, so at different times of the week, we're in different locations across the county. So we have staff located in working with our partners such as Telford and Wrekin Council, Wrekin Housing Trust, Shropshire Council, and we'll send staff out half a day a week or a couple of days a week to go and work in those locations, and our members can come and access us there, particularly if they want to talk about something like applying for a loan, or if they've got particularly difficult financial circumstances that they don't want to discuss perhaps over the phone. We're authorised by the Prudential Regulation Authority and regulated by both the Financial Conduct Authority and the Prudential Regulation Authority. It's also the case that any savings that members have got with the credit union are protected in just the same way as high street banks and building societies as well. So we pay into the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, which means that our members' savings are protected up to the maximum of £85,000.
The best bit about joining a credit union is you can save if you loan, and you can save without a loan. It's a unique thing that people need to embrace, because there's nothing better than speaking as a member of the team now, speaking to someone who phones up querying how much they've got in their savings and have no idea how much they had.
Just Credit Union serves around about 6,000 people across our area, and there's probably as many reasons that people come to us as there are members. Some are saving and some are borrowing and some are doing both. There's a few examples of people who come to mind recently. There was one young lady who came into one of our outreach centres. She'd had marital problems and her children had gone to live with their father. And that left her in a house she just couldn't afford because the benefits were all now going to the father. And she was basically trapped waiting to be evicted. Our outreach officer was able to put together an affordable loan for her, which not only allowed her to pay off the arrears on the account, it also allowed her to put a deposit onto a smaller property which was much more suitable for her income and expenditure. And she was able to move, and she was able to start saving, and she was able to keep in contact with her kids. And that's just one sort of story of people we work with.
Delighted to be working with the illegal money lending team across Telford to encourage Telford residents to join the credit union by opening a savings account. And the illegal money lending team are helping us to deliver an incentive whereby anybody who joins and saves a minimum of £10 over a 13-week period will receive a £25 bonus. This arrangement is being delivered in partnership with Wrekin Housing Trust, with Telford and Wrekin Citizen Advice Bureau and with Bourneville Village Trust. And we really hope that members and residents in Telford will take advantage of that in order to be able to access credit union services.